Oh, hi guys. Today we're going to be doing a fire alarm tour at the Econo-Lodge. So right here we have a Edwards GS pull station, and we have Edwards Integrity horn strobe. Now, come on. Oh, hold on. Anyways, let's go. And Edwards Integrity right there. And they have a new auto call pull station. Ooh. See? And another Edwards Integrity right there. Mm-hmm. Ooh, they have a Firelight VG12. See? Mm-hmm. Anyways, let's go. Yeah. Oh, let's go. Okay. And here we are at floor number 2. Another Edwards GS pull station. Elevator. Another Edwards Integrity horn strobe. Emergency lights. Another Edwards Integrity horn strobe. Exit sign. Another Edwards Integrity right there, and Edwards GS pull station. And she's. Hold on. Sorry about that. The door slammed. And another. No violence with their sprinklers. We're going up to floor 3 now. Oh, oh wow! They have a Wheelock NS and another Edwards GS pull station. They have the server alarms here. Another Edwards Integrity, and hold on. Oh, another Edwards Integrity horn strobe. See? Can I talk? And take 3. Oh, another Edwards Integrity horn strobe. Right? And come on. Another Edwards Integrity alarm. The elevator. Here's roof access. And another Edwards GS pull station. And we're done.